Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 7th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So just before I start, just one thing that I think needs to be said. Technical analysis is about finding the right time to buy and also preventing us to buy when it's not the right time. Because we can always lose money when it's not the right time to buy, and technical analysis is helping us do that. And we don't tend to buy when a stock is within a downward channel, when it's going down like this, unless we bounce on support, and even then, that's iffy. We just wait until the stock breaks outside of the downward channel. So Tesla closed up $1.82. Close, that's 0.25%. Closed at 716.66. Post market, we are 16 cents down. Let's look at what we have here. So remember this, we had a nice move up, but this move was not validated by stochastic over 60. So as was expected, then we just came down and we are still bouncing on 700, approximately 700 right here. And now we have a green candle today. We made a lower high and we made a lower low, but the candle is green. So nothing is perfect in this world. We are maintaining ourselves quite well over $700 and our big important support at 695.46. So that's a big and important resistance. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, so that's the first candle of the day. So we opened very close to 700, came back down, quite down as low as 690, and then we're pushed back up. And then we try to break this intraday resistance here at 716.45. We tried to break it on the second hour, and then we're pushed down. So the sellers won that round, and then we started going back up. The sellers tried to push us down here, but we came back up. This is what the longer wick at the bottom means with no wick at the top, is that we came back down during that hours, but then the buyers won that round. And then right here, 716, we tried to get a bit higher and we're squished down, but not too bad. It's not very low. This is going to be interesting to see what's going to happen for the rest of the week. We have stochastic. Look at how stochastic went up. We went from a 30 stochastic to a 50 almost. So nice little move up here. So maybe we are going to get some action tomorrow right here with a good stochastic on the 1 hour chart. That would be nice, and that will eventually have an impact on the daily chart, obviously. Maybe we are starting, so maybe Tesla wants to come out of this big downward resistance I was talking about earlier. This is big downward resistance, and we have had a hard time getting out of it, but now it seems like we are getting very close to it. We have support at 700. So people tend to buy Tesla below 700 and push the stock back up like they did today. So maybe there's enough buyers right here, enough buyers wanting to buy higher to allow us to cross this resistance. That would be really nice. Let's go look at the VIX a little bit. The VIX was coming down right here at this rate, but then yesterday it looked like it wanted to slow that rate of descent. But today, no, it continued down. Nice big red candle. When the VIX is going down, the stock market is going up. So this is a nice move here. And if it continues a little bit, this will give Tesla a little bit of power to continue. Let's look at Dow Jones, still in a congestion zone. Nice green candle. We started low, but nice green candle. We have a great stochastic here at 96. So based on that, we should be going higher very soon. Because most of the time, stochastic is going higher when the stock is making higher highs, and then the stochastic goes up. But here we have stochastic go up while the stock is getting stuck at 33,203. This is the rubber banding kind of effect, a positive one. The pressure is building. Unless we get some big bad news, I'm expecting the indices to launch very soon. The same thing for S&P 500, NASDAQ also. So everything is nice. Technically, we should be having a launch. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.